Hello and welcome to another little quick test video. So this will be one of my upcoming projects. I did a quick run just to see if it is possible. I always wanted to see if we can control these cheap Chinese cameras from Arduino. So I bought one of those. I already replaced the lens. I put one of these little zoom lenses on, and I noticed in the disassembly videos that there's an exposed button port, and I wanted to see if we can actually control it from Arduino Nano in this case. So I've got a code running where it switches the camera on, like I think, oh actually it's losing connection now, so it switched it off now. It should stay off for about 10 seconds, and then after 10 seconds it should switch the camera back on. And here we go, camera switching back on. And I know that there is another probably the same button thing under the record. So the idea is to actually build like a trail cam, and the camera switches on pretty quickly, so it will be another little interesting project. So that was just a quick test video, just to demonstrate that it is possible. There will be upcoming proper full instructional video for this little project. So this is actually EKEN 9, so it's not the cheapest one, it was about £40. But I've seen that similar ones are sold for about £20, exactly the same design, same button thing here, so it should be quite easily modifiable to this project. I have been working on another Raspberry Pi project, which will be a Raspberry Pi Trail Camera version 2, using Raspberry Pi 0W, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but what I was struggling with previously was actually running the camera when it's in motion detection mode without Wi-Fi, just to preserve energy. So I actually have come up with a solution for that, and the project is functionally it's fully finished, but it still needs some fine-tuning. So this is my first day actually out after 5 days literally just finish work and work on my own project. And meanwhile I actually found this, and I thought I'll do a quick test just to see if it is possible to modify something like this into trail camera, which would be actually absolutely perfect. So that's it for now. I'll be enjoying my pint and the rest of the Saturday. So I thought I'll add an additional little note, since I'm editing the video and I just noticed it looks like really complex wiring. So to get the camera button press modification working, it's actually just one MOSFET per button, and actually it's a pretty simple project. And I just wanted to ask you guys, which project do you want to see first? So the Raspberry Pi project I'm currently working on, so it's version 2 of the Raspberry Pi Trail Cam, or do you want to see this little camera modification project first? And let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching. I'll be enjoying my second beer of the day back at home.